Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I have come up with a birthday setup video which we are going to be putting up from start to end, and I hope you like it. Stay with me till the end and I assure you that I will not make you bored. Right, so I have been collecting all my props for around a month and I have kept them in my laundry room. Oh, and since I mentioned laundry, it just reminded me that I'm going to be making a laundry setup or redecor video as well, so keep tuned and subscribe. And here are some of the things that I'm going to be using. There are some that are self-explanatory, so I don't have to really say the name. I will be putting all these links in the description box below, so you guys don't stick around and take notes while you're watching this video. I will have all the list in the description box below. Here is a 10 feet paper garland. This is another piece of decor setup. It's got balloons, banners and paper pom-poms inside this. This is really cool. It's a musical birthday candle, so once you light it up, it will just open in the space. This is just some candies. Then I got some cocktail umbrella just for the decor purposes. Right, so the confetti, we didn't really end up using it and we just forgot, and my husband just shooted it outside. This is a 4-meter silver paper garland which I'm gonna be hanging on the ceiling. Oh, I really like this one. I got this from Tesco's and it was so cool to just light up the number 3, and enjoy. My little daughter really loved it. I couldn't get a foot because I was just there sitting with her. This is a safety gas lighter, so it's just easier to light up all the candles instead of using the regular cigarette lighter. This is just a ribbon that I'm going to be using on the DIY, which you're going to see in a minute. This is just a decor piece that I'm going to put on top of the table. More silver decor. These are cake boards, which obviously I haven't used for cake. It was used for the little cupcakes that I'm going to be making. Obviously not showing the baking in this video. I do have a different video that I've done a baking for chocolate cupcake. So to make the DIY, I'm just making a chocolate muffin stand. So in here I'm just checking where the middle part is, so then it's not like wobbly. I thought I just should show you guys this screen wipes. These are really good and it doesn't leave any lint or streaks. I'll also link this down below. Another thing that you can use this on is like your computer monitor, your TV, glass or mirrored makeup storages, boxes or whatever you've got at home. So basically it's usually for glass or mirror that you've got, and it will work like a charm. So I'm using a hot glue gun to stick the candle holder and the cake board together. So you just have to make sure that you are placing the candle holder right in the middle underneath the board. Otherwise it will just tilt to one side and it will not look very nice. I'm just making sure that the glue is sticking to it so that it doesn't fall off when I'm putting the cupcake on top of it. And I'm gonna put something a little heavy on top of it so that it can stick. The board and the candle holder stick together. I'm gonna leave it for like at least a couple of hours and then I'm gonna come back to it. I'm actually making 2 of these. Now I'm taking the ribbon and I'm just making it into a bow so I can stick it onto the board so it can just look nice and elegant. So I had 1 bow around the house. I didn't have to go and purchase it. This was just, upcycled from a perfume bottle, I think it was, or maybe some clothing, or I can't remember now, but this has been upcycled, so it was a nice way to, just get it and reuse it. And about upcycling, I am coming with a video that will be doing upcycling a lot of the things around the house, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it and reuse it for your own purposes. And in here I'm just taking some roses. I love roses. Any flower I do love, but roses are the best. I just think that they just add a really nice ambient to the setup, and it will look really nice for the occasion. Like any party, I think roses are the best. Then I'm just going ahead and cleaning all the tabletop, removing all the placemats from the table, cleaning it and then turning it around so this way it'll have a better view. As I'm setting up all the decoration in a way that it will face the kitchen, so then that way it will give it a nice view. For example, if you're going to be taking any pictures, or just will give it a nice wide space. I do hope that you press that like button if you like this video, and tune in for my other videos that's coming up. And oh my god, look at my daughter, she's just trying to help me. Oh my god, so cute. Of course I didn't let her to like obviously left the table, just pushing it so that she can just enjoy her birthday setup as well. She just wanted to get a feel of how it is. She's just turning 3 and she loves to help me around the house, and I really love that company of her. Oh, and I didn't realize that the tablecloth was too short, so instead of using one I decided to use 2 so that it can cover the whole table and not leave any spaces bare. Here's some plates that I've got from Primark, and I'm leaving the white ones in there as well just in case we run out of the pink ones. I'm really just placing everything on the table now, so just I can see where everything goes and what looks good where. So I didn't decide to get those tissues, the birthday party tissues. Instead I just used my tissue holder, which was a really nice mirrory tissue box, so it will look really nice on the table. The candies, I'm just placing it on a small cup and nothing more to it. I got my glass vase and I'm just putting some rose petals inside it. This will just be like a centerpiece on top of the table and it will look really nice. Got my candle chandelier on here as well, trying to place it on a table, see where it looks nicer. I've actually decided to put the vase on top of my glass tray so that it doesn't take much of the space on top of the table, because the table is not too big as well. So then I'm putting my cake stand, the actual cake stand which I got from IKEA, just on the edge of the table so my daughter can reach it when she is cutting her cake. Here I'm just using a cupcake icing which I got from Tesco's. So it does come with a few nozzles which you can choose whichever and just use it for the decoration. Each of them have got different designs, so I just choose one and just fit it on top. Now I'm just getting it to decor the top of the cupcakes and putting it on top of the cupcake stand. And by this time I was just too tired and I couldn't do without a cup of tea. So here we go, I've got my green tea ready. I do also have a green tea video that I will link on the description box below, so go ahead and see if you want to know how I make my green tea. I'm sure you will love it because I do. This is just a lid from one of the perfumes and I thought it would look really nice in between the cupcakes, and I can just use it once and that's it, I don't have to use it again. So yeah, it was a perfume that was finished, and the lid was really nice, and I thought I should just keep it for some kind of decoration, and this is what I've done. Upcycle, 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 that's what it's all about. I love upcycling. So I tried a couple of times to set up or maybe get all the knots done in these paper garlands. I got it wrong twice, and then finally I got to know how I'm meant to be doing it by looking at the picture, because it didn't really come with a manual. So like I don't know, it was gonna be too complicated, you know. So then I hanged it on the wall and just spread it out so that it can look like, you know, filled in. Here I've got the balloon, the banner, and some pom-poms. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to actually open the pom-poms. It doesn't have to be really neat or anything. You just open it any direction as you wanted, and then it should just pop like a pom-pom. I did miss up one of them, by the way. Alright, so I hope you like this setup, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share it, and that bell icon is very important for you guys to press, because you're gonna get all my notifications for all the videos that are upcoming. And last but not least, these are some of the pictures of the setup and the food. We actually ended up going to the restaurant because I was just too tired and I couldn't be, you know, cooking as well as this doing the setup. Okay, take care. Bye.